Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CS Code Academy. Today in this video we are going to discuss about process framework. First we will see what is process framework and how it is helpful in developing high quality software. First we will see what is process framework. Process framework provides a structured approach for developing the software. Okay, it defines a fundamental set of activities to be followed in order to come up with high quality software regardless of its size and complexity of the software. So these activities, what I have written on the board, we have discussed in our previous video, that is in layered technology in process layer. Okay, communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment, these steps need to be followed irrespective of size of the project and complexity of the software. Okay, so first thing we will start with communication. You can tell for the software development process, you can say requirement analysis. Okay, requirements only will get analyzed during communication. Or through communication. Okay, who will communicate, who will take part in communication part, and what they'll collectively do in that phase we will see now. So customers or the stakeholders, they will do communication with the development team in presence of management. Like software team will be what system analyst, business analyst and or software engineers. They will talk with the stakeholders and it is like two-way communication. So customer stakeholders, they communicate with these people, team. Okay, development team. Okay, what they'll discuss, actually they'll discuss the requirements. Okay, what are the requirements, what is the software I'm as a customer I want to build from the development team, and next who are the users, okay, who will be using that software. So everything they'll make a outline and they will gather all details and they will maintain a document by name software requirement document or software requirement specification. Okay, they will gather everything, and next step, the outcome of that communication step will be requirements will get gathered. Okay, functional, non-functional, okay, and interface related, software related specifications, everything will get gathered, and business needs will be understood clearly by the software team. Okay, so next expectations discussed, like what time duration, cost, budget, okay, everything they'll discuss in communication phase. After understanding the requirements, after making a document like software requirement document, next step is what planning. We'll do planning of these things, whether the cost, the project schedule will get created, cost estimation, time estimation, risk analysis and allocation of resources. So these things will be done. So good planning helps in creating or delivering the project on time and within the budget. So that is the main reason why you go for planning. If the risks are there, if you cannot deliver the project on time and not within the budget, then you need to replan and do the requirement analysis again in order to know the business need for the project. And next step, after successful completion of planning, the next step is modeling. There I have written analysis and design, analysis plus design. So modeling, what it does here, requirements are analyzed, they documented. Next, based on that, if planning is okay, then we'll go for design purpose. Okay, so designing, it says what the system architecture, database design and user interface diagrams and UML diagrams, all those things are made in order to show the flow of data from one component to another component, how the data is flowing, how your system will work. So this modeling or design plays a major role. It acts as a blueprint for the project. The next step, that is construction, which includes coding and testing. Here I have written coding followed by testing. Code will be written and then it is verified, like we'll do unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and you will fix the defects. Here you will write the code in construction phase, you will write the code and you will verify the code whether it is working according to the flow or not. Okay, next step is deployment, that is the fifth stage. Here software delivery, next customer feedback and maintenance. The installation, the installation part is called as deployment, and you will give, along with that you will give user training and manuals, and you will collect the feedback for improving the software, and you will have the maintenance and updating feature which may be needed in future. So these things you will keep it in your mind. So for that, to give updates and to maintain the software, you need to take the feedback. Okay, that feedback, whatever modifications or whatever corrections need to be done, will be brought in future updates. Along with 5 activities that are described in process framework, along with that you have something called as umbrella activities, which actually ensures quality of the software project, that has to be carried out throughout the project, including in all activities. Okay, like you have project tracking and control, risk management, software quality assurance, technical review, configuration management, measurement, and documentation. Each quality control aspect need to be incorporated in every activity of the project development. They'll go with the 5 activities of the process framework, like project tracking and control. They are lagging or leading, they should know, and they should analyze the risk and they have to manage accordingly, and the quality of the software should not get compromised at any point of time, and they'll take the technical reviews so as to improve the software performance. And configuration management, configuration also plays a major role in incorporating that software or application in our phones or laptops or desktop. And measurement, metrics will be there, or statistical methods will be there in order to calculate the performance and production. Okay, documentation, everything should get documented in order to give updates and to maintain the software. If in case any bugs are there, any errors they encounter, or any malfunctioning of the software happens, then to rectify that they'll go through the documentation part, the technical people. And next, if new employees join, then for them to give the information till what we have done and where we have stopped. So to give all those things, documentation also plays a major role. So these things should be carried out throughout the project development phases. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like my content, like, share and subscribe to my channel.